U.S. unemployment rate held steady in September, but it did dip for Hispanic workers, ticking down to 4.6% from the 4.9% in August. And the labor force participation rate rose slightly to 67.3%. So can this trend continue, or does more work need to be done? Well, joining us now is Sid Wilson. He is the CEO of the Hispanic Association on Corporate Responsibility. They advocate for greater Hispanic participation on the corporate boards, and they just rang the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange. Sid, it's great to have you on, and I do want to start with this labor report we got today and what it does mean, and why we are starting to see the unemployment rate tick lower, although still much higher than the broader 3.8% that we talk about.
Well, thank you, Morgan. It's great to be here. And yes, it was a great day to ring the closing bell at the NYC today. The unemployment numbers is showing that Hispanics and Latinos are continually making increasing strides in our U.S. economy. And while the full unemployment rate held steady, Latino unemployment rate was dipped. And so that's a sign that we're entering the workforce. The average age for Latinos is 30. So I believe that this trend will continue, and we want to make sure that that gap is closed so that the Latino unemployment equals the unemployment for this at a very low level, because we want everyone employed.
Yeah. And certainly we have a tight labor market, so it's good to see that participation increase as well. How do you continue to close the gap?
Well, the first thing we have to close the gap is recognizing that Latinos are the present and the future of corporate America. We know that we're a large community with 20% of the population, $3.2 trillion of of GDP, but we have to close the gap by recognizing that corporate America needs to make sure that they're acculturating to an increasing Latino community rather than asking us to assimilate into a very old corporate structure. We know that we can contribute to every part of our economy, from the corporate board to the C-suite to the front line, and as Latinos go, so does the American economy.
Okay. You know, it's not just the Hispanic population that has seen a higher unemployment rate than the broader one. It is also the African-American population. Black unemployment, I think, 5.7% last month, again, so still much higher. Is it similar dynamics at work within that demographic, too?
So there's been a long concern that Latinos, African Americans, particularly women of color, have always had unemployment rates that were higher than the overall general population. And this is a continued concern of what we must do to make sure that we're creating equal opportunities for Latinos and African Americans to be able to capture the full potential of what we can contribute to the economy. And so corporate America must do more to address those disparities and making sure that we're giving equal opportunity for groups. But that's a continued concern that we have, that Latino unemployment is too high, African American unemployment is also too high, and more must be done by corporate America.